Are you tired of the same old routine, looking for new ways to boost your income? In this video, we're diving into 5 proven strategies that can help you start earning money today. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time gig, these methods are practical and effective for 2024. Let's get started. First up, freelancing online. With the rise of the gig economy, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to monetize your skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or developer, there's a demand for your expertise. The best part? You set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Many freelancers are now earning a full-time income from the comfort of their homes. Next, let's talk about investing in stocks. While it requires some initial capital and knowledge, the stock market has historically provided higher returns compared to traditional savings. Apps like Robinhood and E-Trade make it easy for beginners to start investing with just a few dollars. Do your research, start small, and let your money work for you over time. Ever thought about starting a YouTube channel? Content creation is booming, and YouTube offers a platform to share your passions while earning money. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing are just a few ways you can monetize your channel. Find your niche, stay consistent, and who knows, your channel could become the next big thing. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You can start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. Build a website, blog, or social media presence to share your links once set up. Affiliate marketing can become a great source of passive income. These are just 5 of the many ways you can start earning money in 2024. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and effort, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on earning and managing your money. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your financial journey.